Hello viewers, I am Satyanand Sir. This article is extracted from the Hindu newspaper. This article is given about two persons. One is Trump, President of USA, and another one Modi, Prime Minister of India. Humiliating speech given by Donald Trump and put pressurize to India not to import from Russia. Trump asserts India cut Russian oil to please him. यहाँ पर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने बोला है जो मोदी जानता है कि ट्रंप नाराज है, इसलिए उसको खुशी करने के लिए वो धीरे धीरे रशिया से तेल इंपोर्ट करना कम कर दिया है. दीज आर द पिक्चर्स अबाउट सीनेटर्स एंड डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. US President Donald Trump on Sunday asserted that India cuts its oil imports from Russia recent months in an effort to make him happy and to secure the India-US trade deal, even as he threatened more tariffs could come quickly if India continues its purchase from Russia. डोनाल्ड ट्रंप एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ही बोला है जो नरेंद्र मोदी उसको हैप्पी करने के लिए रशिया से तेल कम मंगा रहे हैं. Backing Mr. Trump's claim, US Senator Lindsey Graham said that India's ambassador to the US, Binay Quatra, had brought up India's declining oil imports from Russia during a meeting in December 2025, requesting Mr. Graham to ask Mr. Trump to relieve the tariff of 25% imposed by the US and above 25% reciprocal tariffs. यहाँ पर जो सीनेटर है लिंडसे ग्राहम, उसको इंडिया का एम्बेसडर विनय क्वाट्रा इन्फॉर्म किया है जो रशिया से हम लोग तेल कम मंगा रहे हैं क्योंकि 25% टैरिफ हटाया जाए. I was at the Indian ambassador's house about a month ago and all he wanted to talk about is how they are buying less Russian oil. Would you tell the president to relieve the tariff? This stop works, Mr. Graham said during a press conference held by Mr. Trump. ये मिस्टर ग्राहम का स्टेटमेंट है जो वो इंडियन का एम्बेसडर के घर में थे. They wanted to make me happy, interjected Mr. Trump. मिस्टर ट्रंप ने इंटरजेक्ट किया जो वो लोग मुझे खुश करने के लिए चाहते हैं. Basically, he wanted to Prime Minister Modi is a very good man. He is a good guy. He knew I was unhappy and it was important to make me happy. They do trade and we can raise tariffs on them very quickly and it would be bad for them, he added. The External Affairs Ministry did not respond to requests for comments on the claims by the leaders. In the past, the MEA stand for Ministry of External Affairs has termed the American imposition of unilateral sanctions as double standards given that the USA itself buy Russian oil, uranium and critical minerals. यूएसए का कमिटमेंट ठीक नहीं है, वो डबल स्टैंडर्ड से बात करता है जो कि वो खुद रशिया से ऑयल, यूरानियम और क्रिटिकल मिनरल खरीदता है. While Mr. Graham did not specify the date of the meeting, Mr. Quatra had hosted a bipartisan US Senate delegation on December 2 at the Indian Embassy in Washington, where Mr. Graham and Senator Richard Blumenthal were present. Both senators are leading co-sponsor of a Russia sanctions bill introduced in the US Senate that mandates up to 500% tariffs on countries that continue to purchase oil or uranium from Russia. जो दो सीनेटर यूएस का है वो दावा करते हैं जो रशिया से तेल खरीदेगा वही कंट्री को 500% टैरिफ लगेगा. Mr. Trump had made the claim that India had promised to cut Russian oil imports completely on several occasions. As the Hindu reported on Monday, Indian oil importers had cut Russian oil imports from June to October in 2025, but imports of Russian oil along with imports of US oil are rose sharply to 7 months highs in November. Source in the Union Commerce Ministry quoted in the Hindu report had said that despite the cut, trade negotiations with the US had not moved forward, indicating some frustration with the process in Delhi. announcing during the press conference that he expected the Russian Sanctions Act would be passed soon. Mr. Trump said he expected India to be amongst the countries affected by it. जो टैरिफ लगाने से बहुत कंट्री को इफेक्ट हुआ है उससे इंडिया भी है, ये डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का दावा है.